Kia has just unveiled the most powerful pickup truck that will revolutionize the pickup market. Their new 2025 Tasman pickup truck is about to storm onto the scene. It is a game changer that's redefining what it means to be powerful. But it's not about having the biggest engine or the most torque. No, Kia is playing a different game altogether with its smart design, cutting-edge interior, and a price tag that won't break the bank. So, let's get started. Kia is making a bold statement with the Tasman, aiming directly at big names like the Ford Ranger and Toyota Tacoma. Tasman is a full beast offering two impressive engine options. First, there's a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 290 horsepower and 311 pound-foot of torque. Then there's the brawny V6, delivering 350 horsepower and 375 foot-pound of torque. Both options provide a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. But Kia knows that raw power is nothing without control. That's why they've paired these engines with advanced transmission choices. You can opt for a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic, or if you prefer more control, there's an available dual-clutch transmission. These options ensure that all that power gets to the wheels with precision and responsiveness. The Tasman's advanced engine management system precisely controls combustion to minimize waste, and its lightweight materials further trim the overall weight. Combine this with a sleek aerodynamic design and you're looking at an impressive fuel efficiency with estimates ranging from 35 miles per gallon in the city to an astonishing 45 miles per gallon on the highway. Kia understands that a true pickup truck needs to be versatile, which is why they're offering both all-wheel and 4-wheel drive setups. The 4-wheel drive configuration includes locking differentials and increased ground clearance, transforming this truck into a trail-conquering machine. Features like ABS, electronic stability control, and hill descent control give you the confidence to push the Tasman to its limits, whether on-road or off. The Tasman suspension and advanced driver aids, such as electric power steering and adaptive dampers, deliver a surprisingly agile and responsive driving experience. For those who crave speed, the turbo engines provide an adrenaline-pumping surge of acceleration. These high-revving forced induction power plants deliver an adrenaline-pumping surge of acceleration that'll leave most competitors in the dust. And if you really want to dial things up, the Sport mode sharpens throttle response, steering, and transmission tuning for an even more dynamic driving experience. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, Kia drops the mic with hybrid and all-electric versions on the horizon. We're talking guilt-free off-roading with a 300-mile electric range and enough instant torque to rearrange the tectonic plates. The future's looking bright, folks, and it's wearing a Kia badge. The interior of the 2025 Kia Tasman isn't just a place to sit while you drive from point A to point B. It's a masterclass in blending luxury, technology, and practicality. First off, let's talk about these seats. They've wrapped them in leather so fine you'll feel like royalty every time you slide in. Crafted with the finest quality leather, they wrap around you like a warm hug. These seats are built to last and are designed to withstand the wear and tear of daily use without losing their plush feel. But the real showstopper is the tech. Front and center, you'll find a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's your command center for everything from navigation to climate control. And of course, it's compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto because Kia knows you want your trucks to play nice with your smartphone. The Tasman also features a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster. This customizable display puts all the information you need right in front of you, from speed and fuel economy to off-road data and navigation directions. And for those who like to keep their eyes on the road, there's an available head-up display that projects key information onto the windshield. Now, let's talk about practicality. The Tasman's interior is loaded with smart storage solutions. There are cubbies and compartments everywhere, perfect for storing everything from your phone to your tools. The center console is particularly clever, with a deep bin that can easily fit a laptop or a small cooler. But here's where Kia really flexes its innovation muscles. The rear seats in the Tasman aren't just for sitting. They fold up to reveal a flat floor, perfect for storing larger items you don't want to leave in the bed. Kia hasn't forgot about comfort either. The Tasman features a dual-zone automatic climate control system, ensuring that both the driver and front passenger can set their ideal temperature. And for those chilly mornings, the available heated steering wheel is a godsend. However, perhaps the most impressive feature of Tasman's interior is how quiet it is. Kia has used advanced sound deadening materials throughout the cabin, creating an oasis of calm even when you're pushing the engine to its limits and traversing rough terrain. And let's not overlook the little details that make a big difference. USB ports are scattered throughout the cabin, ensuring that everyone's devices stay charged. There's even a wireless charging pad in the center console for compatible devices. Safety-wise, the Tasman's interior is equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, from blind spot monitoring to automatic emergency braking, this truck has your back in more ways than one. All of this comes without sacrificing the rugged, utilitarian nature of a pickup truck. The materials used throughout the cabin are durable and easy to clean. As a self-proclaimed car enthusiast, I'm always looking for the latest and most unique offerings in the automotive world. And let me tell you, the 2025 Kia Tasman's exterior design has completely blown me away. This truck is bold, muscular, and futuristic. The front end is dominated by Kia's signature tiger nose grille, but it's been reimagined for the Tasman. It's wider, more aggressive, and flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the truck a Tory look. But Kia didn't stop at making the front end look good. They've made it functional too. The hood features subtle power bulges that not only make it look tough, but also improve aerodynamics. And those vents on the side of the grille are for the channel air to cool the brakes during heavy-duty use. Moving to the side, the Tasman's profile is where things get really interesting. Kia has managed to blend the rugged proportions of a pickup truck with the sleek lines of a modern SUV. The result is a truck that looks fast even when it's still standing. The wheel arches are pronounced, housing wheels up to 22 inches in diameter. One of the most striking features is the floating roof design. By blacking out the B pillars and part of the C pillars, Kia has created the illusion of a roof that's disconnected from the body. It's a design trick that's been used on sports cars, but this is the first time we're seeing it on a pickup truck. And let me tell you, it works. Now, let's talk about the bed. Kia knows that for many truck buyers, the bed is the most important part. They've made it both practical and stylish. The tailgate features an embossed Kia logo, but it's not just for looks. It's a multi-function tailgate that can be opened in different ways for easier loading and unloading. But here's where Kia really shows off its innovation. The bed features built-in LED lighting, making it easy to load or unload in the dark. There are also multiple tie-down points and even a 120-volt power outlet. Color options for the Tasman are equally impressive. Sure, you've got your standard whites, blacks, and silvers, but Kia also offers some bold choices. There's a deep metallic red that looks like it belongs on a sports car, and a vibrant blue that really makes the truck stand out. My personal favorite, a matte gray that gives the Tasman an almost concept car-like appearance. However, perhaps the most impressive aspect of Tasman's exterior design is how it all comes together to improve performance. Every curve, every line, and every detail has been wind tunnel tested to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. Even the underbody is smooth and flat, further reducing air resistance. And let's not forget about functionality. The Tasman features a step integrated into the rear bumper, making it easy to climb into the bed. The side mirrors are large and can be extended for better visibility when towing. There's even an available 360-degree camera system that gives you a bird's-eye view of the truck, perfect for navigating tight spaces or positioning a trailer. The 2025 Kia Tasman doesn't just arrive, it makes a grand, head-turning entrance with a price tag that's as attractive as its striking silhouette. Starting at a highly competitive $25,000, the Tasman offers a diverse range of trims to suit every driver's taste and budget. In a world where premium features often come with a hefty price tag, Kia has managed to pack this beauty with an array of advanced technologies and premium amenities without breaking the bank. This strategic pricing strategy not only makes Tasman accessible to a wider demographic, but also puts Kia front and center when you talk about affordable trucks. It's a bold move in the market segment that's often criticized for its ever-increasing prices. But what do you think? Is the 2025 Kia Tasman the truck you've been waiting for? Or do you think Kia still has room for improvement? Share your thoughts in the comments section and don't forget to subscribe.